Hi, this is Mimi from Mimi's Paper Crafting. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be working in my October Creative Daily Journal for the days of the 15th to the 21st. Today's the 22nd. So let's jump right into it because there's a lot going on in here and it's getting a little fat, okay? It's getting a little fat. So, of course, I had to journal on other paper because you can't journal on this. This is holographic. See that? Ooh, it's so pretty. But I couldn't journal on that, so I'm just going to do what I always do and tape. That's too big of a piece of tape. Why did I make the tape so big? I don't know. I'm just going to tape this in like so. Flip it up. Tape it on this side and then go to the next one and do the same thing. Like so. And then the last one I can actually just tape down because it's the last one. And hopefully I did, no, it's not. Oh, this is actually private journaling. It's listed as private journaling. I don't know why. So I'm just going to tape it in. Yeah, I wrote private on it. I don't know why. So we're just going to do that. Okay, so this day we went up to my mom's. She was just starting, so this was a Tuesday, she was just starting to start moving her stuff in to her new apartment. So we went up there and started to help her because my brother did the bulk moving and she didn't have much because she had to buy, she bought all new furniture because she hasn't had anything new in a while, so she bought all new furniture. Good for her. This is the beginning of like a new chapter of her life. Good for her. You do that. But we did help her move in some of her stuff, some of her boxes. I unpacked what I could, which I left her, I think, with only like 3 boxes that were still packed when we left. And the boyfriend brought up many, like 4 loads of stuff on a flat thing. I don't know what they're called, that was there available to use. So that got done. And then later that night, my mom called me. There was a problem with her mattress that she bought. So she had to go to the store and like switch some stuff around. So I went with her. And she got me a new mattress. So... And then we stopped at my grandfather's grave because the tombstone arrived. So, that's what we did on this day. And the next day, I barely did anything. Went to the store for lunch and dinner, made a list of everything I had to do before the delivery of the bed, cleaned out all my summer clothes from the closet and dresser, and did all that kind of stuff. So that was what I did. I got a new curtain rod. My curtain rod here, I noticed, was bowed in the middle. It was just one of those aluminum ones. But I do want to remember that I got this curtain rod and what curtain rod it is, just in case. Because I do want to buy another one eventually for my other window. I have 2 windows in my room. I just didn't need another one right now. And I'm like, I don't feel like dealing with 2 of them. I just want to put in and be done. And hang that one up, and I'm regretting not buying a second one. I'm going to tell you that right now. I'm regretting not buying a second one because the curtains just open so much nicer on the new curtain rod. It just opens so much nicer. So much easier. And I don't have blinds or anything anymore in my room, so... curtains and good working curtains are important. Yeah, I got rid of my blinds because they keep breaking. I'm so sick and tired of them. They break constantly. And I refuse to pay a lot of money for blinds. All right. I finished my entire list for the day. This day. Oh, this day was a little bit nutso. So I had a list of things to do. Here is the list. This was everything I did on Thursday. I'm just going to, I think, you know what? I'm just going to put it in here, my list, and then I can do everything over here. So my kid also brought me, listen, my kid's wonderful. I have a wonderful child. He brought me the one new Halloween, like what they call them, boo baskets now, whatever they're called. He brought me the one new one that they got in that I didn't have already. So this is his third Halloween of having these baskets, the buckets. And this time though, he brought it with food. He goes, Mom, this time I brought you food. I was like, oh, thank you. Because the last two times he didn't bring me food. And I was like, why don't you bring me the food with it? But this time he brought me the food. But that's what I got this day. And I read one book. Oh, and then my mom got me, which will fit right here, this Dachshund shower curtain. Which, by the way, I went shopping today and just got the cutest wiener dog pajama bottoms. And they're super soft. But this was an Isaac Mizrahi. She's like, it's an Isaac Mizrahi one, Amy. And I can't believe how nice it was. It's really nice. But I'm not decorating for Christmas. And she said that this forces me to decorate for Christmas. So I'll just put it up in the bathroom. And then that's the only thing I'm doing. I'm not decorating for Christmas. I'm over it. I'm over it. So that's that. And then here's all the stickers that you get with the basket. I'm going to put some of them in here because you can decorate your bucket is the point of it, I guess. I don't know. But here's the, look at the little bucket. Look at the little bucket. I'm going to put it right there. And then pumpkin. We have this guy. And the rest of the stuff is just stuff to decorate the actual bucket. I think it's down here. He brought it down here to see if it was smaller than the old ones. He never said, so I don't know if it is. And then I read this book, which I think I'm just going to put on here. Okay, there we go. Then the next day. What did we do the next day? I don't even know. Oh, I shipped out my aunt's package. This is, my mom moved into her new apartment on this day. So, that was at least done. My brother and my uncle moved what little she had left to move into our apartment. So, oh, I should have put that on the other side. I was not paying attention. That's all right. Doesn't matter. It's my journal. Doesn't matter. But yeah, so she was all moved in, and I finished my list I wanted to do for this day, which was a Friday, and then I had a list of things I wanted to do on Saturday. So, I finished my list, read a book, my boyfriend shipped out my aunt's package for me, and 3 Halloween cards. Do you guys want to know how much it costs to mail out 3 Halloween cards? I'll tell you. Hold on. Because it's right here. $2.19. This is why people don't mail things out anymore, because that's ridiculous. Alright, moving on. Moving on. Let's not be angry. Here's my new bed. It is tall. Alright, we got issues. I told my mom, I'm like, it's tall. It's tall. I have to climb into this bed. It's tall. But my boyfriend decided he's just going to make a new bed. He's just going to make a bed because it's very, very tall. And I don't want to keep climbing into my bed. Okay, I'm going to move this. I want to put the list in. So we're just going to put this right here. There we go. And we're going to tape in my list. And this was my Friday and Saturday list. So yes, they delivered my mattress. It didn't come till like 5 o'clock, 4 o'clock, something like that. It was like 3 o'clock. I don't remember. It was, I got the time of 1 to 5, and it was like smack dab in the middle. They delivered to my mom first, and then they came and delivered. But yeah, so that then is done, and they took my old, so while moving everything, I hurt myself multiple times. You guys, it was bad. So the first time I was dragging the mattress out, I threw the mattress on the floor. That was fine. Did not hurt myself in that way. And then I was taking the box spring out, and the box spring hit the mattress because I didn't see it. It hit the mattress, and then I jammed my toe into the box spring. Okay, so when I did that, I really literally thought my toe was broken. That's how bad it was. That's how much pain I was in, but it's not. It's not broken. It is not broken at all. But then when I was taking the metal bed frame off of my headboard fell and collapsed on me. So I have a bruise like this big behind my knee on my leg because it just collapsed on me. I said I had a great night's sleep except for the pain in my toe. Oh my God, it was so bad. It hurt so bad I couldn't walk. I'm over climbing into the bed. It was only day 2. Yep. I'm so over climbing into the bed. And I also used the new Instant Pot on this day. And my kid did not complain because I made shredded beef for tacos, so he didn't complain. He hates stuff out of the Instant Pot. It is what it is. Okay, this is, what day? Yesterday, right? Yeah. Yesterday, because we went to my mom's. We woke up early and headed to my mom's because this was a Monday. The Saturday before, my boyfriend before work went to my mom's to put together her bed, but he ran out of time because he had to leave to go to work. So then he was going to go Sunday, but they had the parade, the Halloween parade, so we just went then yesterday, put together finished her bed, hung up some decals that she wanted on her walls and stuff like that, moved her rug, put her one rug down, put together her coffee table. We had all that. I forgot until 10 p.m. to schedule a video that went live at midnight today. I made apple crisp for dessert. Oh, and then this, right? So this is the boyfriend. Under the bed. That is how tall the bed is. And there's room to spare. And he's a big guy. My boyfriend's a big guy, and he's under the bed. And I sent that to my mom. I'm like, this is how tall the bed is. By the way, I couldn't find him. He was hiding under the bed to screw with me. Jerk. And scared the crap out of me, by the way. So it worked. But yeah, that's him under the bed. And we watched It's Florida Man. It's a new HBO Max show about retellings of crap that happens in Florida. Real crap that happens in Florida. It was funny. It was good. But that is it. And then we don't have much more left of this month. This is my last journal with me, right? The next one will just be a flip through. So there you go. That is it. We had a little bit busier of a week this week, but hey. And he's chunky. He's a chunky monkey. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And I'll see you guys in the next crafty video. Have a great rest of your day.